Okay Google, turn on light. Okay Google, turn off light. Okay Google, turn on water pump.
Got it. Turning the water pump on.
Okay Google, turn off water pump.
Got it. Turning off the water pump.
Okay Google, okay Google, benefits of mushroom.
I found 5 on the website healthline.com. Nutritional benefits of eating mushrooms. Antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from damaging free radicals that can cause conditions like heart disease and cancer. Beta-glucan. Would you recommend us? B vitamins. Mushrooms are rich in the B vitamins, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. Copper. And finally, potassium.
Thank you.